So it is currently March 1st. It is a Friday. So yesterday I received the unit that I'm going to be dyeing for you guys, and I just want to talk about it before we get into the dyeing. The unit was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. They were kind enough to send me a blonde unit for me to try out, and when I received it I was like, okay, she's cute, right? But y'all know me and yellow toned hair, I just can't do it. It's just not me. It's not in my soul. It's not pure, you know? I was like, what am I gonna do with this? I was just like, let me, you know, try the dip dye method. I wanted to turn this into a gray unit because this yellow tone is not working for me. The unit itself is 180 density. This is their straight 613 blonde unit. It is not a full lace, unfortunately. This unit is pretty thick itself, so I'm kind of nervous to see how the color is gonna take, considering it is a full wig and it's long. Their construction is pretty solid, so I don't really be tripping if it's a lace front or a full lace, so I could work with either one. And it is pre-plucked, so bitch, you got a nice little hairline. But the hairline is pretty decent, so let's see how it goes once I apply the dye onto it. I'm not a hairstylist. I don't dye hair. I don't custom do colors. I'm only using one fucking bottle of dye. I'm setting myself up for failure. I am using the Adore color. This is 150 Platinum. It is kind of like a grayish, you know, darker color gray. I don't know. I don't want a bright colored wig. I wanted a long gray unit once again. Last time I did my gray unit, it did turn out kind of a lavenderish purple, which I didn't mind. So I want to see what this is gonna do, because I am doing the dip dye method because I want to be arrogant hey for a day. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go boil my water, get the setup ready for y'all to experience it with me. I'm gonna go, you know, hit on the blunt real quick. Let me find out. Before we get into that, I want to shout out to Wiggins Hair. All the links for the hair will be down in the description box below. And yeah, so far so good. Let's see how the color takes this hair, and then I'll just talk about my final thoughts at the end of the video. You know, spark up right now. I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna be stressed while I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm doing this in general. Oh my god, Mario's calling me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put about 7 drops of dye inside the water, and then just distribute it, mix it until it's all throughout this water. And I'm only doing 7 drops right now because I might need another bottle, but we gonna try her out. We gonna test the waters. Your girl knew she was gonna be stressed before this, and the way this water looking, I have a feeling it's not gonna come out right, so I just need to take a couple hits. Just so I could be a little faded, so I could be like, it looks decent. So I got the water ready right here. Now I'm going to be dipping the ends in first. I don't know how to approach this, considering that this is a long unit, so I'm just going to dip the ends in, and I'm just like touching the hair entirely too much because it's so pretty, and I just touched it. I touched the fish. I touched the fish. Little update, I just did the first round, and y'all can see the little color difference. It's turning a little bit platinum. Put some more dye in the bucket. I'm probably gonna need another bottle, quite frankly, but we gonna see. We gonna see. I don't think I'm doing this right. Oh my fucking god. So at this point I'm frantic. I really don't know what to do with this hair because I don't like the way it's looking. Color really didn't distribute. So what I thought was to mask it with some pink, and I'm just gonna do it at the ends, and I'm gonna just like ombre it a little bit, and let's see how it goes. Colorista, it is hot pink, so let's just see how this goes. So I kind of got over what I was trying to do with my little gray look. I put the whole thing of pink in here, and it came out this pretty little you know, purplish pink, and the top part is a little bit grayish, as y'all can see. I just wanted to keep some of the gray in the root just to keep it different, and hopefully it looks right because I did dip dye the whole thing. It's damp and it's drying, but the roots are nice. But I don't like how I like blended it because I did dip dye it, so it distributed kind of weird. She definitely needs to be styled, but I'm waiting for her to dry. I do air dry my wig. 4 hours of slaving over this hair and I am finally complete. When I was dyeing the hair, I was pretty skeptical on how it was gonna come out, if it was even gonna be cute coming out, which I'm not too mad at, and I love the fact that it is two-dimensional. Overall, I really love this unit. I love that it is two-toned. I love that it has dimension, and I love that it's not splotchy. But I did experience some shedding once I was, you know, dyeing the hair, but that is to be expected from any type of hair, or blonde hair in general. Let me pull that bitch down. Now for the hair itself, it did still remain healthy. Overall, I love how the hair turned out. I will be linking the hair that I used down below, so please check out Wiggins hair. Their blonde hair is definitely approved for me. And I want to say thank you so much to Wiggins hair for sending me this hair. I wanted to try the dip dye method so bad, so color coming soon. This is very summer, so you might see her or I might sell her, so you never know. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up because that truly does help. Comment down below some more colors you guys want me to try, and if you guys ever did the dip dye method. It was a mess for me, as you guys can see. I was frustrated. I had gave up a little bit, but the end result was perfect. Follow me on all my social medias. Links will be down in the description box below. But without further ado, I love you guys with all my heart. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye, guys.